Breaking news! Nottingham Forest have pulled off a major coup, securing a loan deal for Juventus midfielder Douglas Luiz for the 2025-26 season, with an obligation to buy for around €30 million if performance conditions are met. The 27-year-old Brazilian, previously a star at Aston Villa, brings Premier League pedigree and defensive solidity to the City ground. This blockbuster signing, part of Forest's ambitious summer spree, signals their intent to shine in the Europa League and solidify their status as a rising Premier League force. Luiz's arrival is a statement of ambition, ready to ignite the pitch.